Lake Greenwood Camp. Yeah. And we're going to a special place to go fishing.
Okay, let's go. Hello everyone, this is Ina with Inichka Chef and welcome to my channel. Today I'm not in my kitchen, in fact I'm camping up in upstate South Carolina on beautiful lake, and we enjoyed this quick camping for a few days. We got away from our place and we did some fishing today, and I'm so excited to show how I'm going to cook fish quick, easy. Of course, I don't have anything. In fact, I even forgot my cutting board, and here I cook some vegetables in the left behind bacon grease from morning. Some carrots, summer squash, and some tomatoes. Of course, a little bit of salt. I didn't bring much seasoning with me, but usually salt and pepper is something that I always have, right? And I brought some homemade different herbs, dry mix of different herbs. Some rosemary, some tarragon. I think start giving little color and little flavor. And today we are making fish, catfish. Let me show you. Look at that guy. He's still moving, I think. Yeah, he's still little moving. It's beautiful. And I'm going to cook with pasta sauce. Let's do that. Come on with me. Come. And now I will try to old-fashioned way to clean fish by the water. Okay, I think we got beautiful.
Delicious.
Lots of blood. I think this part we'll eat.
Sushi.
Sushi rib. Oh, this is caviar. Look at that. It's caviar. I'm not going to throw away. This is caviar. We're going to eat. So the liver in caviar.
Catfish caviar.
Yep. And liver. This is edible. I think let's rinse. And now we need to take gills.
That's if you eat the head, right?
Yes, I'm going to eat that.
See, I didn't know that because I'm not a head eater. I'm not a head eater.
I am a head eater. I don't eat fish eyes, but everything else is edible. So we got.
Okay, one more rinse. Real good one.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm going to rinse with water just one more time, just to make sure it's everything. Beautiful fish. So I'm going to put this caviar back inside and this liver back, right? Matrona loves cut liver. I have some fresh parsley that we're going to put inside, right? And some lemon. Some salt, pepper, and we're going to finish with pasta sauce, homemade pasta sauce. Some pepper, and the same thing, a little bit of olive oil. Now flip and doing the same thing. Catch dry. Then we add salt, plenty of pepper, olive oil. I cannot wait to taste this. So this is beautiful vegetables already. And we're going to have a big salad too. It's not enough vegetables for all of us. And here it goes. And we'll leave it for 15 minutes. 15 minutes later, we are going to flip. I add a little bit of potato for our dinner. Let's see. I always like to have more potatoes than we need. It will be perfect for breakfast hash brown. And now it's time to see what's happening inside. Very hot. Oh yeah. That's what I want to see. It's almost ready, I would say. And now this, if you saw my previous video how to make homemade pasta sauce, has a lot of oil. I add extra oil, olive oil. Has a lot of flavor. Very garlicky. And I think will be great with our cherry tomatoes and summer squash, potatoes, carrots.
Look good, Travel? Look good?
Yeah.
I think all kids from neighbor.
Whole campground's coming. It smells so
Whole
good.
campground coming here. Yes, and here's some. We're going to brush a little bit. And I'm the only one who eats head. I love head. I think it's my biggest, the most delicious part. Look at that, how bubbling.
Yeah.
Now we're going to do this procedure when we flip fish one more time. So, I won't keep the foil and I won't preserve as much juice as possible. So if you say you cannot cook because you don't have some specific kitchen or specific items, I have only one chef knife and no cutting board, so I managed to cut my fingers this morning already, and that's all I have. Salt, pepper, and homemade pasta sauce. I think that will do. I think it's yummy. Let me get a little bit on this potato, that sauce. Yeah, this grill's so old. I believe this is the grill we chose to take with us this time.
It's not ready yet, guys. Hold on. You're about to jump in the grill.
The kids are ready to eat. I think it's our first grill, right, honey? We bought 15 years ago. Oh my goodness, it's so old.
2009.
2009, when I came to America, we bought this grill. And we don't use this as often, this grill. I think it's our boat grill. Nothing can be worse than unseasoned dinner. You think good look? Good, yummy? Yes.
It was mouth watering.
I think they are ready to eat them.
What about you, Matrona? You ready, honey? Yeah.
I think the whole crew now want to say bye, and please give me like, subscribe, request what would you like to see, give some comments, and I cannot wait to see how you comment about my cleaning fish in the water. And see you next time.
Bye.
Bye.
Say bye, Matrona.
Yummy fish?
Very good.
Yummy?
I want more.
She said I want more.